2024 Blinn Ag Mech Show. We have over 500 exhibitors, as well as over 130 welders and cutters competing in those two contests.
This is the Powder Puff Extreme. It is a grooming chute for lambs, goats, and steers. And so the purpose of it is to make it more time efficient for people that raise a lot of species or people that have multiple species. And so what this does is it automatically blow dries your animals for you. It has a scale, it has a lamb and goat stand, and then a lot of other smaller features that make it completely different from anything out there.
Every year whenever I come out here and I see this show, I'm amazed at what these kids are able to do. Their imagination really is their only limitation, and some of them have really exceeded what my imagination could actually even come up with.